and welcome back to Should Be Committed. I have my lovely assistant, Nathan.
We're using canvases, folks.
We have a million t-shirts, like pretty much every household, and we have a bunch that are really gross that we shouldn't be wearing anymore. And when I say we,
I'm the problem.
yes. So like with these that are pitted, and this one has had a glue stain on the back of it for like it's got.
I don't even know how that happened.
So we're going to cut these bitches out and put them on the canvas, staple them on there, and then hang them up. Then we get to keep our favorite shirts, and I don't have to see him wearing glue stains. Our drink to go along with this today is Jackdaniels Tennessee whiskey with gingerale in a can.
We'll see how this goes. That was very synchronized.
Tastes like Jack and ginger ale. 7%. If we survive, we survive. So like that. Is that how you want that?
Mm-hmm. So these staples go in the wood on the back?
And the wood on the back, yeah. And so I'm just gonna put. Oh, it's dangerous now.
I'm watching because I'm not confident I could do this on my own the first try, so I want an example.
Okay, so I'm gonna stretch this taut.
So the collar is weird. It's like
your face is weird.
Leaking in.
Taut, flip, and I'll do my first one where that stupid collar is. How's that sound? Yeah. Okay.
It's going nowhere now.
I'm just gonna do one on each side, and then we can double, triple, quadruple check that it is exactly what we want. I don't know why I'm holding it like that. Mother. Do you like lean back when I do it?
Every time. Yeah, it looks good.
Right? So now that we know where it goes, extra danger. Are you ready for me to just cut up your shirt?
Yeah, I can't wear that one.
No, it's got like full pit stains and nastiness.
All right, can I get a shirt?
Do you want to cut this?
No. Figured this out.
Are you though?
Probably not.
Because I know like some people who have a million race shirts, like I have a million race shirts. And if people have like a wall that they dedicate to like race medals and stuff like that, they can do this. Hang them up with their shiz.
Let's test this tautness. Nailed it. Yeah. Good enough.
I'll show you how to do a corner. And if you don't want to do corners, I can do the corners.
We're getting there. It's a thing on a shirt.
It's a shirt on a canvas.
Yeah,
woohoo! I'm going to fold this down and staple it. And then, so it looks like that, so it's sticking out. And then you just fold that in. And it makes like a beautiful little crease. And then you staple that right up at the tip at top.
Alright, so for cutting this.
See? And then you can bang, bang, bang the whole all you want. Bang, bang, bang. If you want to cut it bigger, you can, because you can always take more off, but you can't put it back on. Go slow.
I am.
Chill out. You're not. You're like, this part doesn't matter.
It gives me access to the part that does matter. I'm determined not to mess this up.
Because you gotta have faith. Come on, shirt. Quit being a twat. Isn't that great? It's a lovely piece of art that Nathan used to sweat in. It's easy art, guys.
She's almost done with 2. This is how we fold laundry too. She's twice as fast as me.
This is how we do everything. I'm twice as fast as you.
Basically. My favorite animal is an otter. I love otters. So when we went to Shed Aquarium in Chicago, they had a Star Wars otter shirt.
It's pretty
It was
fantastic.
awesome. Gonna tag out on this one. Getting the edges straight and everything, I'm gonna have a problem. Put one staple in this and I'm already like, we may have to take that staple out.
Cookie Monster.
Mortal Kombat is next.
Yeah, this one needed a lot of extra staples to keep the words from being like. Just had some slight technical difficulties, and so we might look a little different.
Fix the glitch.
This one's awesome. It's got all of the names of the like top players of all time from the Cubs. You have like a food stain.
There's a reason I don't wear this shirt.
R to the Rizzo. I know we look super safe doing this. It's all about the small things.
See if she did that.
Underdog means a lot because he wore this on our honeymoon 15 years ago in Jamaica. And they give you a nickname at the resort, and he was Underdog. They named me Knock Knee because I'm pigeon-toed, and they said, your knees knock together when you walk.
Just getting started.
Let's get it started. What? Let's get it started in here. Miles is like, I'll get it started. What? You like that noise, bud?
You can't see him, but he's like...
He's wiggle button. Come
Right.
here. Come here.
Yeah, like he's right there.
Oh.
You're gonna get jealousy. You can't call one without
This is
the other
jealousy number 1 and jealousy number 2. So what'd you think of that?
one. It wasn't too bad. Like, I stretched it and I was like, oh, this is good. It's perfect. And I stapled the one on each side, and then I cut it and it'd be like...
Thank you for committing with me.
You're welcome.
Thank you for committing with us.
Thank you.
Comment, give me some ideas of what to do next, and tell us what we sucked at for this one or what you liked about it. Also, subscribe and like my page and like yourself, because that's what we're here for.
That's too full for that.